See there? One Jamaica village road surveying. You know, so I have to play a part and play a role in this road surveying for some people get them land well. So the council people from the council where we carry to do this kind of job.
Are they sure? Can they go that clear this road, this street?
I believe there is a pillar here. So are you coming to clear the person pillar?
No, we no go clear him.
So
we go clear him.
Huh?
It's all about how you say it.
So we measure road. This is the proper way how to do it when you come buy land in Ghana.
Yeah, so for you know, you understand? Since there are no layout here, therefore you take each boundary. So this pole means that this portion of land belongs to one person. And you know that this is a linear road. We are making it big so that at least it will serve other agendas.
Okay.
And for also future purposes.
So they have to give.
We take 15 here. We go at the back of the pole and also take 15. To make 30. That is the minimum weight.
When I came to Ghana 207, it was 10. So now we go 15. 207, it was 10 feet.
10 feet.
Hey. 10 from one person, then 10 from the next.
I'm making 20. Then that's even a lane to someone's house.
So, okay, thank you very much.
Emmanuel,
see, at the first cut, this, Jamaica village. Here in some road construction. Some show them traditional things and the inside work out to which part. And the machine coming out. Some people have problem to get them land, get road to them land, them buy the land, and them can't get no road to the land. You know, so me bring in the council people and bring in everybody and carry the machine to come construct road. You know, so we have to go pay for all of them farmers and all of them things. So, I got that one and also. When problem come, from land matter, the Jamaica village, settle it. You see, so some land where we are planting coconut pine. You see, the bridge buy the land and them can't get no road for grow on it. So, you know, that affair happen now, we have to carry in the council people, legal people, and get everything paid for, and get a road. Original government road. I go around. One Jamaica village, GH. Making a try.
Pô,